Welcome to the System Design Framework channel, where we simplify complex system designs and turn them into easy-to-follow step-by-step guides. In our last video, we dove into the goals and requirements of the system, basically the what and why behind what we're building. If you missed it, no worries. You can find links to all of the playlist videos in the video description below. In this video, we're diving into the key use cases, the everyday actions that keep us connected, entertained, and engaged. From posting that perfect selfie to tweaking privacy settings, these use cases are the heart and soul of every social media experience. Let's get started. First things first, getting started, you land on the platform and hit sign up. Easy, right? Add your personal details, name, email, password, maybe even your favorite profile picture. Once everything checks out, the system sends a verification email. Click that link, and voila, you're in. Your profile is ready to roll. It's all about making that initial connection seamless and welcoming. Let's kick things off with how users join the platform. The actors involved in this use case are the user and the system. The user accesses the platform and clicks sign up. Here's the flow on what happens next. First, the user enters personal details like their name, email, and password. They might even upload a profile picture. Then, the system validates the details, checking for duplicates and errors. If everything checks out, the system creates an account and sends a verification email. And when the user activates their account by clicking on the link, the system confirms activation and notifies the user of their successful registration. By the end of this process, the user has a personalized profile, ready to dive into the platform. Now comes the fun part. Posting content. You head to the Create Post section and start crafting your masterpiece. Maybe it's a photo of your cat or a quick video update. Hit share, and the system takes care of the rest, storing it in your feed and notifying your followers. Just like that, your story is out there for the world or just your friends to see. Now that the user is set up, they'll want to share content. The actors involved in this use case are the user and the system. Before starting, the user needs to be logged in. The process looks like this. First, the user navigates to the Create Post section. They craft their post, adding text, images, videos, or even links. Then, the system processes the post and stores it in the user's feed. Followers then will receive notifications about the new content. When all is said and done, the post is live and engaging followers in no time. Scrolling through your feed, you spot a post you just have to engage with. Tap that like button or drop a comment to join the conversation. The system tracks your engagement and updates the post's metrics. Oh, and don't worry, the creator gets a little notification to brighten their day. Engagement such as likes and comments are what keeps the platform buzzing. The actors involved in this use case are the user interacting with the post and the system managing metrics. What's the starting point? A logged-in user views a post in their feed. How does it work? First, the user clicks the like button or adds a comment. The system records this action and updates engagement metrics. Then, the system notifies the post's creator. This simple interaction drives the core of what makes social media addictive: instant feedback and connection. Sometimes, it's all about one-on-one connections. You tap the message icon, start a new chat, and fire off your thoughts. The system ensures your message zips straight to your friend's inbox. Simple, instant, and oh so convenient. Direct messaging brings private conversations to the platform. The actors involved in this use case are the two users and the system facilitating communication. Starting condition: both users need to be logged in, and the sender must be connected to the recipient. How it unfolds: first, the user selects the message icon and starts a new conversation. They type out their message and hit send. Then, the system delivers the message to the recipient's inbox. It's that simple. Real time. Social media is about expanding your network, and that's where following or sending a friend request comes in. Check out someone's profile, hit follow, and the system adjusts your feed to include their content. Want a closer connection? Send a friend request and wait for that sweet accepted notification. Building your network is essential. The actors involved in this use case are the user and the system. How it starts: the user views another profile. Step by step. First, the user taps the follow or unfollow button. The system updates their following list and the other user's followers. Then, the feed adjusts to include or exclude posts from that user. By the end, the user's network reflects their preferences in real time. Feeling like a makeover? Head to your profile settings, change your picture, update your bio, or tweak your contact info. Once saved, the system ensures your profile reflects the new you. First, let's identify the actors involved: the user, the one making the updates, and the system, the engine ensuring everything runs smoothly and accurately. For the magic to happen, there's just one precondition: the user needs to be logged in and navigating their profile settings. Once the user is in their profile settings, here's what happens. First, the user accesses the profile settings and modifies information such as profile picture, bio, and contact details. Then, the system validates the new information and updates the profile. After the process is complete, the user's profile is updated with the new changes. Want to keep things private? No problem. Adjust settings to decide who can see your posts or send you messages. The system applies these preferences instantly, giving you complete control. Privacy is paramount. Here's how users stay in control. The actors involved in this use case are the user and the system. How it begins: the user navigates to the privacy settings. What happens next? First, the user tweaks settings, like who can view their posts, send messages, or tag them. Then, the system applies these changes immediately. With these tools, users can shape their digital presence just the way they like. Another core use case is sending a friend request, which enables users to extend a virtual handshake to others. Once accepted, this action bridges users into each other's networks, granting access to shared content and fostering engagement. And to make friend request interaction possible, there are two key actors: the user, the person initiating the friend request, and the system, the platform that processes and tracks the action. Before diving in, the user must meet a couple of prerequisites. First, be logged into the platform, and should view the profile of the person they want to connect with. Here's how it all unfolds. First, the user clicks the Send Friend Request button prominently displayed on another user's profile. The system instantly generates a notification for the recipient, informing them of the incoming friend request. Then, if the recipient chooses to accept, both users are officially connected as friends. And the system updates their mutual connection status. Once the flow is complete, the friend request is successfully sent, and the recipient is notified. Sometimes you might come across content that doesn't belong. Tap Report, choose a reason, and let the system handle it. From removing posts to suspending accounts, the platform ensures a safe space for everyone. Safety is non-negotiable, and reporting tools make the platform a better space. The actors involved in this use case are the user and the system, possibly involving moderators. When it starts, a user identifies content that violates platform policies. What happens next? First, the user flags the content and provides a reason for the report. The system escalates the report for review. Then, depending on the findings, the system takes appropriate action, removing the content, warning the user, or even suspending accounts. This ensures the platform remains a respectful and secure environment for everyone. Finally, when your social media session is over, logging out is a breeze. A single click ends your session and keeps your account secure. The system redirects you to the login page, ready for your next visit. For this use case, there are two key players involved: the user, the individual who decides to log out, ensuring their session is closed securely, and the system, the platform that handles the technical side, terminating the session and resetting the interface for the next login. Before logging out, the user must already be logged into the platform. Without an active session, there's nothing to log out of. Here's how the logout process typically unfolds. First, the user navigates to the settings menu and selects the logout option. Then, the system immediately terminates the user's session, ensuring that any active data or credentials are cleared. This step involves securely closing back-end tokens and sessions to protect the user's data. Finally, once the session ends, the system redirects the user to the login screen, signaling a successful logout. After logging out, the user's session is securely terminated, and the platform is reset, returning to the login screen, ready for the next login attempt. And that wraps up this step in the system design of a social media platform. We've covered the key use cases that are essential to the social media platform. Remember, if you want a deeper dive into this step, or want to explore all the other steps in detail, just head over to www.systemdesignframework.com. It's all there. And it's completely free. In the next video, we'll take things further and explore the next step in designing a social media platform. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you're the first to know when it's live. See you there.